Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Adam Gaston with New Image Dent Repair. I'm out here in Frisco, Texas this morning. About to work on this SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee right behind me. Customer called us out, said it's a really windy day the other day, and his door flew open and bumped into a pole at the gas station. So we are just about all set up, and we're gonna get started. All right, so we're all set up here, ready to start making the first few pushes. This is our LED paintless dent repair light. It basically illuminates the dent. As you can see, it's a small crease right underneath the body line with some damage in here also. And there was also, I've already worked it down a little bit, but it also kind of shot up a high spot right above the body line there. But wanted to make this video to show you that, you know, sometimes we have to do a little bit of work just to get to an area where we can push the damage from the back side of the panel. So we've got the door propped open right here with a prop. This just basically holds the door stable while we I think we're going to be able to go in through this hole right here with a dent tool and be able to push the damage out from the inside right there. We've carefully removed the door panel, making sure not to break or scratch anything. There it is right there. So I don't know, we'll probably go in the door with something like this, or you know, one of these mini tools here. I'm not sure exactly what's going to work great yet, but we'll get in there and figure out what's going to get the job done. We've got our heat gun going. What this does is it you know, obviously heats up the panel, but it makes the paint more flexible when you're pushing on a tight surface like this, especially in colder weather. You don't want to crack the paint's finish. This allows us to push on the back side of the panel and not crack the paint. It also makes the metal, I guess, more flexible, so it has more give when you are pushing on it. Just makes our job a little bit easier and prevents any further damage to the door. What we're doing in this portion of the video is we're using a double bend adjustable tip tool to get in behind the panel, push over and over, as you can see what I'm doing right now. We're trying to work that deepest part of the crease up with the soft tip first, back and forth, and you can see I'm pushing it up, and then I'll go back and tap it back down. What we're trying to do is bring that up slow so I don't damage the sharpest part of the crease. After I get that up a little bit, I'll go back in with something sharper and sort of fine tune the depth of the crease. But when you see me tap down, it's just a constant back and forth to get that to move without damaging the paint. So as we get further into the repair, you'll see me move my light back towards the fender. We do this when we're, you know, starting to wrap up a repair, because it really shows the highs and lows that still need to be worked up. If it's a low or if it's high, it, you know, really stands out the further your light gets back, so you can work that down also. Then we're going to put this door panel back on, and we're all wrapped up with this repair. Alright guys, we are all wrapped up with the SRT repair. Hope you guys really enjoyed my video. Go on over to Facebook and also Instagram. Like our page, it's @New Image Dent Repair on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.